Good morning guys, Mangulo is back. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to watch, subscribe, like and share, and click the bell. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay mag-reposition tayo ng aeroplano. Ilipat natin yung aeroplano sa ibang parking. Ngayon, i-power up na natin yung aeroplano para tuloy-tuloy na. Alam niyo na to, mag-start ng APU. Watch my previous video for start APU. Battery 1 on, battery 2 on, master switch on, (40 seconds). Charlie 10 to Alpha 8 Romeo. Start. Required follow me or no need? Required follow me? Follow me follow me or no need? Need follow me. Okay. Okay, aircraft is power up already. Wait for another second, 10 to 20 seconds to the computer stabilize. Saka nyo gawin ang dapat nyong gawin. Pag narinig nyo na yung click na sounds, pwede na kayong gumalaw. Okay, click na, tapos na nag-click. Pwede na kayo mag-on ng navigation light, aircon. Yun nyo na. So stable na yung computer. All normal. Check engine. Check nyo yung engine isa-isa. Lead, pressure, cabin pressure, electric stable, hydraulic. Okay yung hydraulic natin. Fuel, okay. APU, okay. Door, all closed. Wheels, everything's fine. Light controls, okay. All of the above. Check for the problem. Okay, may inog tayo, it's normal. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, pressurize natin yung hydraulic for pushback. Later na lang, tawag muna tayo sa sa tower. Standby for pushback.
Sir, this one not put nozzle here.
Ay, standby. I will give it to you.
Sorry.
Don't forget to install the steering pin for safety. Woo! Weather ground, Victor Papa X-ray, Charlie X-ray Romeo. Good morning.
Good morning, go ahead.
Charlie X-ray Romeo requested reposition of from Charlie F10 to Alpha 8 Romeo.
Civilians, say again.
Requested reposition Charlie X-ray Romeo from Charlie 10 to Alpha 8 Romeo.
And just to confirm, parking now?
Parking Charlie 10, Charlie 10.
Copy that. Charlie 10. Stand by, call you back.
Charlie X-ray Romeo, standby.
Roger, Emirates 9712, holding
Standby.
Roger, continue straight, 9712 to stand 9 up dash 2, report fully parked. Straight, 9 dash 2, call you back, Emirates 9712.
First time ko mag-reposition ng aeroplano. Kaya ganyan. Kinakabahan.
Please sit down. Delta ground, Alpha Sierra Delta. Go ahead, calling. Delta ground, Alpha Sierra Delta, require a position from Charlie 23 to Alpha 6 Romeo by pushback and stowing. Again, Charlie 23, confirm? Confirm, Charlie 23. To where? To Alpha 6 Romeo. Roger, call you back. Sierra Delta, standby.
Kailangan yung makinig sa tower kasi natawag yan. Kailangan alert kayo.
Emirates 9712, there is no marshal on our position. Just on the way, call me Nugas Marshal site.
Pag reposition ng aeroplano, talaga maghihintay ka sa tower pag tumawag sa'yo. Talagang kailangan tiyaga. Tsaka kailangan patient.
Emirates 9712, are you calling ground services or shall we call our company? Call your company. Are you wanting to call the company? FM? I am.
naka-write up o wala, may email o wala, kung na-assign na ba yung daily at saka weekly, para walang aberya sa free flight natin. So far okay naman yung daily, na-assign na siya, nagawa lang ang gabi. Kaya ang gagawin ko free flight na lang.
Ground Emirates 9712. Go ahead. Yeah, we called Saudi ground service and they told us that our parking stand now is 5-3. 5-3, confirm. Yeah, confirmed. Roger, stand by. Standing by.
Pagkatapos pala ng pushback, mag-walk around ako ulit, i-double check ko yung aeroplano sa requirement yun sa pre-flight check. Bago pinushback na, pasadahan ko na, pero kailangan ko ulitin ulit sa doon sa jetway area, sa Alpha 8 Romeo. Doon ako mag-walk around pre-flight check. Kailangan safe tayo, safe yung aeroplano, safe tayo, safe yung passenger.
Ground defeated. Hit the ground Alpha Sierra 59, reposition completed, new spot Alpha 4 Lima. Take a half here. Alright. Please, what's calling you? Disregard, about to call you about Alpha 4 Lima. Alright. Please, Jeddah. Go ahead. I maybe have two reposition. Confirm. Do you have information about it? I have only about Charlie 10. Charlie X-ray Romeo. Confirm. Don't have idea about the registration, but they told me Charlie 10. Is they approved to go to Alpha 8 Romeo? Affirmative, confirm. You need to follow me to Alpha 8 Romeo or just to Taxi Lima? All the traffic at Charlie April needs to follow me. Copy that. From Charlie 10 to Alpha 8 Lima, confirm. Alpha 8 Romeo. Copy that, Alpha 8 Romeo. Proceeding now. Victor, Papa Charlie X-ray Romeo, call me in, I got one of my car inside.
X-ray, Charlie X-ray, Charlie X-ray Romeo, follow me. Still not here.
First mile 712, any chance we can get exit clearance to A320? FR, stand by. Standing by.
Jeddah follow me, just follow lang.
صباح الخير سعودية 1018 جاي Alpha 2 for ready to push down taxi. 1018 Alpha 12 compare. Charlie. Zero star pushback approach facing Lima 1. Start and push approach facing Lima 1. Ground. I'm ready at Alpha. Charlie 10.
Ground, right.
Charlie X-ray Romeo, follow me.
Follow me, sir, already? Stand by.
Charlie X-ray Romeo.
Charlie X-ray Romeo, go ahead.
Pushback approach, follow me.
Charlie X-ray Romeo, push back up road, follow me. Ground, follow me, brakes off, ready for pushback, follow me.
The Emirates 9 driver 12, stand by waiting for approval from airport operations, stand by. Yes, stand by.
Please switch on beacon light.
Okay, beacon light on. Kailangan nyo yun yung hydraulic para sa just emergency procedure. Kung ma-disengage man yung ano nyo, tow bar nyo, ma-disengage, magkahiwalay sa aeroplano, at least may electric kayo na ano, magamit. Kahit naman hindi naka-on yung hydraulic nyo, kung malakwan lang naman, mayroon naman tayong hydraulic accumulator, kaya niya i-produce ang brake ng 8 times, 7 to 8 times kaya niya gamitin. After that, wala ka ng preno. Pero sa towing procedure, kailangan all door closed, hydraulic on.
Ground from 9712 again. Go ahead.
Yeah, now in our position at 1092, there is a marshaller waiting for us. What's happening here? Is it 92 or 53?
Roger, marshal inside or 9-2, confirm.
Yeah, there's a marshaller inside. Still want to confirm, is this our...
Bago yung namin, bago yung terminal namin, napakalaki. Kaya kailangan ng follow me. Kailangan ng follow me para ano, kasi malayo masyado eh.
Assalamu alaikum, Mass Express 402. Salam 402, go ahead. Express 402, Alpha 8 Lima, requesting push and start. Roger, start and push back approach facing Lima 1. Start push approach facing Lima 1, Mass Express 402.
Now told us that 992 now will make sure the cars are out of the way. We are moving into the center.
Stand by, hold position until I call you back.
Standing by.
Ngayon, papunta na tayo ng Alpha 8 Romeo. Pag dumating ka na sa destination mo, Alpha 8 Romeo, tawag ka ulit sa tower. Cockpit ground.
Towing approval?
Yes, towing up, standby. Jeddah ground, X-ray Romeo, request for towing to Alpha X-ray Romeo, follow me.
Follow me.
X-ray Romeo, follow me.
Ground Emirates 972.
Ground Jeddah, ground, follow me, confirm.
on standby. The parking will be 5 tax 3. So standby until I get approval from airport to break. Remain frequency until I call you back.
Yeah, but the marshal is waiting us in, and we have been contacting Saudi ground operations, and they reconfirmed that it's now 10-9-2.
Gaano ka-busy yung tower?
By who? By Saudi operation, confirm?
That is
Pag nandito ka sa cockpit, magpo-push back ka, huwag mong iwanan. Kasi yung iba iniiwanan eh. Kasi baka tumawag yung tower. Kailangan alam mo, masagot mo agad. Kaya stay present ka lagi, present of mind. Ganito ang ginagawa. Pag aircraft mechanic ka, aircraft technician, engineer, qualified ka sa aeroplano, ganito gagawin mo dito. Ikaw mag-push back, ikaw ikaw lahat.
108 taxi, leave all my Foxtrot 134 right, 785.
Pero sulit naman kasi ang sahod. Ang sahod namin times 10 sa Pilipinas yung sahod. Times 10. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung magkano. Basta sulit na sulit.
Airfield at Airport Charlie.
ground defeat 8.
Airfield 8, confirm position now.
From Charlie, exit taxi Lima.
Roger, call me beam April Alpha.
Copy that, call your beam April. Honestly, we have been landing half an hour ago. We're still waiting next hour. Then the marshal, he's got enough as well. It's too hot for him. He's jumping into the car. What shall we do? Can you please clarify our situation?
Something's out of my hand. I'm waiting for call from airport to break.
Yeah, well, we got them on the frequency. They confirmed it's 9-2. That's Express 402, ready for taxi.
Able to join Lima to confirm? That's Express 402, taxi via Lima 2 to hold short on like 345.
Taxi via Lima 2 to hold short 34 right, that's Express 402.
Emirates 9712, your parking will be 5-3.
90712, 5-3. Okay, ground 9712 has understood 5-3 requesting.
Roger, taxi straight via Foxtrot, Gulf Delta Golf, and call me approaching Gulf Charlie.
Pagtawag pala sa operation, tower operation, pwedeng microphone ang gagamitin nyo, pwede din headset. Ito, headset. Yan. Pwede ito
Right,
gamitin.
Emirates 9712 straight ahead and left turn on Golf Delta, left turn Golf, call you approaching Golf Delta.
Pero hindi ako komportable sa headset. Mas gusto ko ito gamitin. Para lang kumakanta ka. Kanta ka lang. Microphone. We are going to Charlie
402 tower 185 from Adla.
Alpha.
185, that's Express 402, that's out.
pagkatapos natin ma-reposition, nakadating na tayo sa destination natin na gate Alpha 8 Romeo. Tawag ka sa tower ulit, sabihin mo na yung eroplano mo reposition complete Alpha 8 Romeo. I-advise mo yung tower para alam nila na nakarating na nga.
Can we turn left on Golf Charlie, left on Golf, then on to Golf Bravo again?
Continue straight left on Gulf Charlie, then Gulf, call me approaching correction, Gulf Delta, Gulf, call me approaching Gulf Charlie.
Yeah, Golf Delta left, Golf, call you approaching Golf Charlie. Emirates 971.
Nine 712 for information, 6-way Gulf Oscar, Gulf Charlie is closed.
That's understood, Emirates 971.
Defeated Amat taxi mana अभी में brother.
Roger, proceed via Lima 5 to Alpha 1, correction Alpha 8 Romeo.
Copy that, Lima 5 Alpha 8 Romeo.
Pag nagsulat ka pala sa logbook, sa standard talaga to, pag nagsulat ka sa logbook,
Alpha
kailangan
8, correction,
readable.
Go ahead.
Readable
will you
siya.
provide follow me for Alpha Sierra Delta?
Well, just complete this follow me and we'll proceed. Just confirm the parking.
We'll be going to Alpha 6 Romeo.
From where to where?
Charlie 23.
Copy, Charlie 23. Inshallah, to complete all proceed.
You can go now, I'll take Charlie X-ray Romeo to the park.
Copy that. The traffic now on taxi ready.
Inside.
Busy masyado.
Lima 5 now.
Busy masyado yung tower.